Welcome everybody. Brian here from T-sportline, Atlanta. I've got another Cybertruck that came in for wrapping, and it's also got the new core wheels. Let's go through what we've got. So this customer chose Inozetek Super Gloss Metallic Vampire Red for the wrap. We've done a lot of this. If you remember, it's the color we put on our Cybertruck in the beginning, and it's been super popular. This color pops. It looks just like Tesla's Ultra Red. It's an awesome look on the Cybertruck. He did the Embossed Foundation Series decals, pretty typical for us these days. Now, let's talk about the core wheels. This is the first one we've seen delivered with the new core wheels from Tesla. The tire is a Pirelli Scorpion ATR. It's the same size as the Goodyear, 285, 65, R20, so it's no change there. It's also an all-terrain tire, same as the Goodyear tire. It's really a choice between Pirelli and Goodyear. Which one do you like better? A couple things we noticed. The new core hubcap here has 7 elements, still a hex shape, consistent with the design language on Cybertruck we're all familiar with. The tire has 9 segments to its hex. A little interesting that it's not symmetrical like the Goodyear matches the segments on the cover to the tire. This is a different approach. This is still a cool look. Let us know in the comments below. What do you think of the core wheel, this new hubcap, the Pirelli tire? Do you like this or the Goodyear better? Curious to see what you guys think. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Make sure thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel. We got a lot more Cybertruck content coming your way.